YouTube, welcome to Grapes and Glitter. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dip Well dipping powder kit. So if you guys are trying to try out some dipping powder, which is a new crave in all of nail land, I advise trying this kit. It's awesome. So inside the kit you have some instructions, as you can see, nicely folded, step-by-step instructions on how to apply each of the steps for the dipping powder application process. You have a bundle of nail tools, which is very, very sweet. Nail file, very nice, gritty, buffer, and a cuticle pusher. All the things necessary for this process. And this beautiful color chart. So I was like super excited when I saw this because I was like, what? Look at all these colors. So I'm gonna definitely try some. If you guys like this video, and my next one on my French ombre tip, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will do more on these colors. Ain't they bomb? Oh, and you get 20% off if you go to their website and put in Color Me 20. So you're welcome. Definitely gonna be using that myself. So here are each of the steps necessary to do the dipping process. Oh, and here are the powders that it comes with. So I bought the French Tip kit. So it comes with the French white, the sheer pink, and the base and finish clear coat powder. So very nice sizes. Can use them multiple times, so I'm very happy about that. So step one, we have a bonder. There you go, you guys can see that. That goes on the natural nail to adhere the powder. And then you have step two, which is the base. Very important part. It's what actually makes the powder adhere to the nail. Then the third is the activation section. That one goes on the entire nail to settle in the powder and dry it. And then the fourth step is the sealer, which is like a top coat, and that's the shiny diamond shine top off that we all love. So there you guys have it. Oh yeah, and the brush softener. So that's nice if you're switching through powders to clean your brushes off. Keeps them all nice and soft. So there you have it. That's the Dip Well palette. I will be doing a French ombre book later, so stay tuned. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. And